I've just got to get this documented before I erase this off the whiteboard. Goals and dreams and aspirations and life's deepest calling. Mission, purpose, goals, mandates, vision, dreams, vehicle, fuel, purse, integrity, something. So anyways, my life's deepest core is to highest calling is to God's plan for my life is to develop a technology that creates positive transformation in people's lives and teaches this technology to the masses. Imagination, communication, unification, implementation. The deepest things that are weakening me is my landscaping business and being so attached to it because it consumes all my time and energy and willpower, and to go full time into the internet marketing business. If I was given, $20 million, I would immediately go out and start shooting the most inspirational, motivational short film / YouTube videos the world has ever seen that would make people cry and help change people's lives. It'd be beautiful, right? My nose itches. Sorry. Yeah. So I'm going to delete all this.